In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the Jacker Gold WordPress plugin. Jacker Gold is a plugin that will allow me to jack the content and authority of any website. It'll allow me to put my own call to action bar with text inside of the website that I jack. It will allow me to change any link inside of the jacked website to point to any URL that I want, and it will even allow me to put my own HTML code inside of other people's websites. Let me show you exactly how it works. So I've installed the plugin on my WordPress blog, and the first thing that I'm going to do is click on Create New Jack. It's then going to ask me for a couple of settings. The first setting it's going to ask for is the WordPress page that I want to associate with this jack. Now I can choose any WordPress page, or I could create a new one specifically for this, but I'm just going to use my sample page since this is just a demonstration. It's going to ask me for a title, and this is just for my reference only. It's just so I can remember what this particular campaign is for, so I'm going to enter in my test. Now it's going to ask me for the URL to jack. This is the URL of somebody else's website that I want to jack and put my content and my links over. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a URL, and I'll just paste it right in here. It's going to ask me for the color that I want of my call to action bar. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a color that I like. I like red. It's going to ask me for my call to action text. Now this is going to be the clickable text that people will see over the website that I'm jacking. I'll go ahead and enter. It's going to ask me for the bar text color, the color of the text that I'm putting inside of my bar. And I like yellow over red, so I'll go ahead and pick yellow. It's going to ask me for the link URL. Now this could be any URL that I want traffic to go to. It's the URL that people will go to when they click the bar text. Now since this is just an example, I'm going to send people over to Google. If I have any custom HTML that I want to be inside of this page, for example, retargeting code or code from a pop-up builder, I can put that in here. Since this is just an example, I'm going to leave that blank. It's going to ask me if I want to jack the page links. Now this means I change all of the links inside of the page that I'm jacking to actually point to my link URL. And in this example, I'm going to do that. I'll go ahead and select yes, and then I'm going to save now. Now watch what happens when I click on View. So here we are looking at my jacked page. And as you can see, I am jacking Digital Marketer, a very popular website in the internet marketing space. And right here you can see my call to action bar, which is showing over Digital Marketer's website. And if I click on this, this will take me over to Google, which is my target URL. And also every single one of these links has now been changed to my target URL. So if anybody clicks on any one of these links in the page, they will also go to my target URL.